loyalty or your own cake? All right, since you haven't sold that kidney yet, let's pick up where we left off. Some of you might be worried, but what about loyalty? What about career growth inside the company? Let me ask you one thing. Tell me what happens when it all goes south. When the ship starts sinking, is your boss going to show up at your door the next day asking how he can help you out? If the answer is yes, then congratulations. You've found a rare gem of a workplace. If you actually like it there, that's the cherry on top. But if you're watching this video, chances are you don't even have the cake yet, let alone the cherry. Here, we're going to learn how to bake our own cakes. I want us to get to a point where, in our retirement years, we're sitting on our porch, drinking a cold beer, and arguing with the neighbor about whose lawn looks better. I want us to sit by the fire, grilling a steak, and laughing about all the crazy mistakes we made when we were young. That's why we start baking now. We need both kidneys intact for that retirement beer, otherwise you'll be stuck in a nursing home on an IV drip wishing for a quick end. Look, I'm not here to be some high and mighty professor. I'm here to share my thoughts and bake this cake alongside you. And I want that cherry on top to be so good that the neighbor works himself to the bone just trying to get a lawn as green as mine. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.